you'll need a 10mm wrench and some tape. The reverse lights are located in the rear light housing. Begin by opening the tailgate. There are 2 tabs behind the housing and 2 bolts on the inside to remove the whole assembly. Use your 10mm wrench to remove the 2 bolts. Apply tape to the outside of the housing. Hold the tape and pull the housing back to free the locking tabs behind the housing. We highlight here where the tabs from the housing lock into the frame. Remove the reverse light socket by turning it counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb plug in the LED and test it. The LED has a rubber ring to secure it. Install the LED into the housing and adjust it until the clips face out at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions. Line up the locking tabs on the housing with the frame and push the housing in to lock them. Replace and tighten the 2 10mm bolts. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Use your 10mm wrench to remove the 2 bolts. Apply tape to the housing and pull it back to free the locking clips behind the housing. Remove the reverse light socket by turning it counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb, plug in the LED, and test it. Push the LED into the housing until the rubber ring secures it. Adjust it until the chips face out at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions. Line up the locking tabs on the housing with the frame and push the housing in to lock them. Replace and tighten the 2 10mm bolts. These new LED bulbs are much better at lighting up the area around the back of your car for safe reversing.